Since its inception in 1970, Range Rover has changed the definition of luxury in the SUV segment and has set the bar high enough for all its competitors. Over the years, only 4 generation models have been introduced for the flagship Range Rover SUV. Most recently, the brand launched the 5th generation model, the 2022 Range Rover, with the aim to accentuate luxury to the next level with refined performance and modern looks. The recipe is simple classic Range Rover heritage fused with modern design and advanced features. The lineup will begin with the 5-seat SE, and offer a long-wheelbase 7-seat version. The Range Rover Autobiography will be offered in 5-seat and long-wheelbase 7-seat versions. At the front, the most noticeable change has to be the bumper that has now been given a rectangular look that stretches across the width of the front, cutting down the visual bulk. The headlights of the SUV feature a striking digital LED exterior lighting with Range Rover's signature daytime running lights. Just between the headlights is the updated front grille with an interesting new pattern design. The SUV still wears the typical Range Rover styling that features a solid upright position, making the car look even bigger. The cabin is loaded with premium materials and exquisite trims. Almost everything is covered with exclusive leather, although buyers also have an option to choose a non-leather interior. The dashboard follows a long horizontal design language and has trims of wood and high-quality aluminum that accentuate the exquisiteness even further. The flagship SV model is one step ahead in the game and offers a full-seat-only version with individual seats. The center armrest has an electrically operated table system which, with a press of a button, unfolds to form a personal table for the rear passengers. The 4.4-liter twin-turbocharged V8 works with 553 pound-feet of torque and 523 horsepower and is capable of reaching 0 to 60 miles per hour in 4.4 seconds. The other option is a mild hybrid with a 105 kilowatts electric motor with a turbocharged inline-6 gas engine. In electric-only mode, Range Rover suggests you'll be able to drive up to 62, using the 38.2 kWh Li-ion battery, 31.8 kWh usable, inside. This option includes a total of 395 horsepower and 406 pound-feet of torque. The 2022 Range Rover is the epitome of leading-edge technology and is loaded with some mind-blowing tech features on board. It offers what the brand calls the Pivi Pro infotainment system, a 13.1-inch fully touch display that is convexly curved and has a floating appearance over the dashboard. Almost every function in the car can be accessed through this display, starting from cabin lighting to all-wheel drive mode. The display also features an inbuilt navigation system and offers voice recognition too. The adaptive dynamics system monitors all the vehicle's movements up to 500 times per second and reacts immediately to all the inputs from the driver as well as the terrain.